Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add pages and a menu to your Wix website. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and search for wix.com. Once you are on the website, sign into your account and select the website you would like to edit. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the Edit Site button at the top right corner and a new web page of the Wix editor will open up. Now, to see all of the pages on your website, simply click on the drop-down menu at the top and they will be displayed in a list. To add new pages, click on the Manage Pages option at the bottom and a new menu will appear. You can then rearrange and edit all of your pages inside this menu. Alternatively, you can select the Pages icon from the left side menu. Next, click on the Add New Menu Item button at the bottom and select New Page from the sub-menu. Choose the type of page you would like to add to your website and click on the Add Page button. Wait for it to load, then rename it to your liking. You can see that we have now added a new page to the website. You can also duplicate the page and rename it to create multiple pages. In order to add a menu, go to the Add icon at the top left corner and select Menu from the list. Choose the type of menu you would like to add, then click and drag it to the desired place on your website. You can then use the floating menu to edit its layout, design, animation, or other features. So that's basically how you can add pages and a menu to your Wix website. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.